Okay, so now we're going to practice conversation English for talking about your home. Let's look at the vocabulary first. Kitchen. Kitchen. Dining room. Dining room. Hallway. Hallway. Living room. Living room. Balcony. Balcony. Office. Office. Bedroom. Bedroom. Bathroom. Bathroom. Basement. Basement. So these are parts of your home, and we can describe them using the adjectives that we see here. I'll read the adjectives for you. Comfortable. Modern. Light. Uncomfortable. Old-fashioned. Dark. Expensive. Small. So now we want to combine this vocabulary with these adjectives. And we can do that by answering the question. What rooms do you have in your house? Can you describe them? Example. My house has a kitchen, dining room, hallway, and living room. The living room is modern, the kitchen is comfortable, and the hallway is small. Let's try again. What rooms do you have in your house? Can you describe them? My house has a balcony, a basement, and an office. The balcony is light, the basement is dark, and the office is expensive. So, can you try to describe some of the rooms in your house using the vocabulary and these adjectives? You can also talk about what kind of home you have. So we have apartment, house, farm, villa, and your house could be in a city or in a countryside. So let's practice using these words to answer these questions. Number 1, what is the best kind of home to live in? Why? So we start, as always, by repeating the question. The best kind of home to live in is a house because it is big and modern. To answer why, I just use 2 adjectives, big, modern. Number 2, is it better to live in the city or the countryside? Why? Same thing, we will repeat the question a little bit. It is better to live in the city because cities are more comfortable and modern. But it's up to you. It's your opinion. Maybe you think it's better to live in the countryside. Can you answer why? What do you like and dislike about your home? Okay. I like my office because it is comfortable. And I dislike my bathroom because it is old-fashioned. What about you? What do you like and dislike about your home? The last question, who do you live with? I live with my wife and my dog. Okay, there you go. That is how you can talk about your home. So let's see an example dialogue between two people talking about their homes. Did you move to your new apartment yet? Yes, I moved to an apartment in the city last week. Can you describe your new home for me? Sure. It has 2 bedrooms, 1 kitchen, and a bathroom. The furniture is modern, and the bedroom is comfortable. That's good. Are you happier in the city than in the countryside? Yes, I prefer the city because it is more lively and convenient. What about you? I prefer the countryside. I have an expensive villa near the ocean. It is peaceful and quiet there. For me, the city is uncomfortable. Can you describe your villa for me? Sure, it has 3 bedrooms, 1 kitchen, and 2 bathrooms. There is also a balcony overlooking the sea. I hope that I can come and visit you someday. You are always welcome to stay at my apartment in the city. Goodbye. So that's an example of a realistic conversation between two people talking about their homes. At the bottom, we have useful language, and these are idioms. Idioms about a home or a house. So the first idiom is, a house is not a home. What does that mean? That means there is a difference between a house and a home. So a house is just the building, right? But the home implies your family, where you feel like you belong, where you feel comfortable. That's the home. So that's an idiom. A house is not a home. And these two words are not really, the way that we understand the difference is in the context. So it depends on the context, right? You could say, I'm moving to a new home next week, but you just mean the building. So you don't always have to say house. The next one is a house of cards. I think there was a TV show called House of Cards. And this means that a situation or a structure is unstable and might collapse, which means fall down. You can imagine if you take those little cards and you build a house, if you just blow on it, it could fall down. So the example, I feel that our business investments are resting on a house of cards. And clean house, when a company fires all employees and hires new ones. So if a new boss or a new manager takes over your company, he or she may choose to fire everybody and hire new employees. So the example is, I heard that the new management is intending to clean house when they take over the company. So those are 3 idioms you can use. A house is not a home, a house of cards, and clean house. Okay, let's do the fill in the blank activity. Number 1. My sister and I usually cook dinner on Saturdays in the kitchen. In the kitchen. Number 2. My sofa is old and so we want to get a new one. My sofa is old and uncomfortable. Uncomfortable. Number 3. She is taking a nap in her... She is taking a nap in her bedroom. Bedroom. I guess you could also say living room as well. Number 4. I need to go brush my teeth in the bathroom. I need to go brush my teeth in the bathroom. Number 5. Their house cost $1 million. It is very expensive. It is very expensive. Number 6. My apartment only has a bedroom and a bathroom. It is very small. It is very small. Number 7. Walk down to find the bathroom on the left. Walk down the hallway. Walk down the hallway. Number 8. We stood on the and looked at the city. We stood on the balcony and looked at the city. If we put together everything we learned today, we should be able to make one paragraph talking about homes. Here's an example. I'll read it for you. I want to tell you what I think is the best kind of home to live in. In my opinion, the best kind of home to live in is a villa. Villas are comfortable, modern, and are usually located in the countryside. They are the best because they are relaxing, quiet, and peaceful. I used to live in an apartment, but I didn't like it because it was small, expensive, and old-fashioned. The bedroom was not relaxing, and the kitchen was not functional. Living in a big city is not good because there are too many people and too much noise. There is also a considerable amount of construction and pollution. This is why, in my opinion, it is much better to live in the countryside. I live with my girlfriend and my dog. Our villa is slightly small, but it is perfect for the 3 of us. If I could improve my home, I would like to add an office and a balcony. Other than that, I think my home is perfect. So, do you think that you could write one paragraph about your home and what you think about homes? You can replace some of the words. Maybe you think an apartment is better than a villa, and you can replace the adjectives. And just for practice, try to create your own sentence and your own paragraph. So, that is the end of the lesson talking about home. So I hope you enjoyed it, and thank you for watching.